Yeah, yes, yebo. As I cruise through the valley of the Saxon world, I take a look at my life, full of riches and gold. With stealing I've been laughing as I am the big Don. I don't care what you say, I've done nothing wrong. From Kwezi to Nkandla to my good old friend Sheikh, 700 and something in my number one wig. I'm still here and I'll feed you to the sharks. I gave you load shedding to do deals in the dark. And I shall plunder and steal what I can. Do deals with the Russians for a nuclear plant. I saw some MPs getting lazy and fat, so I told the kitchen staff these peeps must bend.
Been spending most your lives living in a whoop-ass paradise, where we enrich ourselves with friends who do not care to lie. Been spending most your lives living in a whoop-ass paradise, and in the aftermath you'll hear your beloved country cry.
So the public protector, she made this report, something about a state of capture, but I gave it a snort. Implicated me and my weekend minister, bribery and fraud, all very sinister. And my friends from the east fled in panic and fear, as the heat was turned up and trouble was near. And the old stalwarts pleaded, please step down, but I gave him middle fingers cause I'm wearing the crown. I love Donald Trump and the distraction news. 2016 had a lot of blues. Varsities was burning and the fees had to fall, and while you focus on that, I'm taking it all.
Tell me, why are we too blind to see that our rainbow nation's forced to its knees? Been spending most your lives living in a whoop-ass paradise, where we enrich ourselves with friends who do not care to lie. Been spending most your lives living in a whoop-ass paradise, and in the aftermath you'll hear your beloved country cry.
You can read it in the New Age that I am still a leader. For those who doesn't get it, here's another middle finger. It's not about the country, it's about the ANC. And it's not about the people, man, it's all about me. And all my dodgy comrades who's sitting at my side, who's got a lot to lose and they've got a lot to hide. Now the NEC, they try to bully me, but I'm going nowhere really fast, so don't cry for me.
Been spending most your lives living in a whoop-ass paradise.
Do you want to be minister?
Where we enrich ourselves with friends who do not care to
Do you want to
lie.
be a minister?
Been
Don't call me
spending
minister.
most your lives living in a whoop-ass
How many times
paradise.
you want to call me? You call me all the time. You call me more than you call you once.
You
All
will
the
hear
time.
your beloved
But
country
if you want to be a minister,
Been
you can
spending
be a
most
minister
your
and I call
lives
me.
living in
All
a
the time.
whoop-ass paradise.
Then I'm gonna go to Dubai. I'm gonna say goodbye. I'm gonna eat a ribeye.
Do not care to
Goodbye.
tell me why